This is a matter that is really something that we believe the agencies can settle by themselves. We don't need to step in here. One thing that I think may help would be for the two agency heads to talk. I'm not aware that they have talked. So it would be good for them to talk, just to sort this out and not become a public spectacle, unfortunately, the way it has become. We don't need to reach this point. Now, at the same time, we understand that maybe these arrears may not have been provided for in the budget of the MMDA, and there would need to be some way of resolving that, through some arrangements that would be within the budgetary rules, hindi ko alam kung ito ay meron ng pondo dun sa budget, Siyempre naman, ang isang ahensya, hindi basta makakagastos ng pera nang walang budget cover, So they'll have to sort out those technical details. But the point is, if there is a liability, and these are liabilities, by the way, that are ultimately liabilities to the workers whose remittances were whose withholding tax was withheld, Hindi ito pera ng MMDA, ito yung pera ng mga manggagawa. Alinsunod sa mga ulat, Pera ng manggagawa na withhold o kinuha ng MMDA para ibigay sa BIR, Kaya, ngayon, hindi naman hinahabol ng BIR yung mga manggagawa, siyempre, kasi, it was deducted already from them. But the MMDA should remit this to the BIR because, according, based on the report, these are already withheld revenues from the workers. Ang mga manggagawa po ang inuna nung kinaltasan para dito. So we urge the agencies concerned to come to a settlement, and if other agency heads may be able to help, perhaps the head of the Secretary of Finance, hopefully, may be able to also help sort this out, but work out some way in which also the DBM, because there may need to be some budgetary arrangements for this, to sort out this matter so that it can be resolved and the demands of our tax legislation and especially the rightful remittance of funds that were deducted from the workers shall be followed.